You're an aspiring merchant looking to bring your goods and services to the online crowd. You've got the goods stocked, your website set up, and the customers lined up. But have you got your payment systems figured out yet? Introducing Xfers, a new iBanking-based payment solution. With traditional iBanking, you'd have to manage a menagerie of tedious details by hand, from accepting orders, sending out invoices, sharing your bank account information with customers, verifying payments, cross-referencing transactions with orders, to dealing with refund requests and dead inventories. At Xfers, we reduce all of that to just one simple step: checking the amount you've made at the end of each day. Xfers takes care of all the ho-hum unpleasantness for you at a low flat rate of 45 cents per transaction, regardless of how big the transacting amount is. This definitely beats using PayPal or eNets, with which you'll have to pay 3.5% or more for each of your sales. With Xfers, your customers get to save and you get to increase your profit margin. It's a win-win situation. Xfers aims to take care of all the laborious details of managing iBanking transactions for you so that you can focus on what's important: growing your business. Sign up today at www.xfers.io for a 30-day free trial.